Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be cleaning my room. It's gotten a little messy and I've wanted to just reset it for, September. And I also am doing a collab with Everlasting. It's a bedding company, so stay tuned to see that in this video because their bedding is so cute and I can't wait to share with you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below, and let's just go ahead and get started. So to start things off, I'm just lighting this really cute candle from Target that's rose scented. It smells really good just to, start the mood for the cleaning. Now my room was pretty messy with just random stuff everywhere, so I'm just cleaning all that up. And then this drawer has not been touched in a while, so I'm just, going through, refolding it. I know it's not the best job, but refolding everything just to make it look a little better. Now I'm taking off this bedding. This one's from Amazon and I'm refreshing it with my Everlasting bedding set, and this one's really cute. So there's a duvet inside and this is a duvet cover with the sheet. So I'm just putting it on. It's a ruffle floral one, super cottagecore vintage, really cute. Putting the pillows inside the pillowcases and setting it all up for a super cute new bedding look. Added these little throw pillows, definitely optional, but thought it would be kind of fun to add those. And here is Everlasting's Instagram. You guys can use my code for 10% off. They have seriously so many sets. It was so hard just to choose one because they have so many colors and options, and just all the dreamy bed sets that you see on Pinterest are literally all in one place on this site. So make sure to go check them out and use the code for 10% off.